Hello everyone, do you know how the Chinese Qingming festival is spent? Today, come back to my hometown in rural Jiangsu province with me to see how we spend Qingming festival here now. It's a very important traditional festival in China, and we usually have about 3 days of vacation. The core of Qingming festival is to remember and honor our loved ones who have passed away. Even though the pace of life is getting faster and faster in the countryside, we still keep the tradition of visiting our ancestors' graves. This is not just a ritual, but a way to express our thoughts, gratitude, and a connection to our family roots.
过去吧。说挺好说的。说的晃的不晃呀？地不晃。还有屋子了，还有那没有屋子地了？屋子地上都有。
When we pay our respects, we prepare some special items. For example, these papers, before we use it, we usually symbolically give it away by printing on it with a piece of RMB that is now in circulation. There are also other products like this gold. Chinese call it Qingming. As gold has always symbolized the wealth and vigor in Chinese culture, we believe that by buying the paper products, we can pass our thoughts and blessings to our loved ones on the other side of the world, hoping that they will live a prosperous life there as we are. These are cultural traditions to send condolences and show respect. But the meaning of Qingming festival is not just about remembering the past. With the developing of time, the holiday has become a real day of living relatives to reunite. Just like today after the worship service, our whole extended family will gather together. So you see, the Qingming festival is both a time of remembrance of the dead and a time of love for the living, a link between the past, present, and future. I hope this video will give you a deeper understanding of the traditional Chinese festival. If you are interested in real Chinese rural life, please subscribe to my channel. I will show you more. Thank you for watching.